TikTok login problem with Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can solve the TikTok's login problem with Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to actually solve the TikTok login problem with Facebook, it's actually quite very simple. Normally, if you're trying to open up TikTok and then let's say that you had actually linked your Facebook account to your TikTok account before, now you're trying to continue with Facebook, but it says login problem or so on. There are a couple of ways to fix it. First of all, make sure that it is the correct Facebook account that you're trying to log in with, because sometimes the switching of the Facebook account could also be the issue. After that, you can just try to long press the TikTok app icon, then tap the I button to come to the app info page. Go to the option called storage and make sure to clear the cache files, and if you want, you can also try to clear the data. Then after you've done that step, you can also go ahead and open up a Play Store, check if the TikTok app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully this way you can solve if you're having TikTok login problem with Facebook. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.